Using A2 hosting for your web hosting needs is straightforward and efficient. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Choose a hosting plan. Visit the A2 hosting website and explore the various hosting options available, such as shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. Click Get Started on the plan that suits your needs. Select a domain. During the sign-up process, you can either register a new domain or use an existing one. Enter your desired domain name and select your preferred extension. Create your account. Fill in your personal information and set up your account by creating a password. Review your order and select any additional features like SSL certificates or backups. Access the control panel. After completing your purchase, log into your A2 hosting account. Navigate to the cPanel or A2 hosting control panel to manage your hosting settings. Install your website. Use the Softaculous Apps installer in cPanel to easily install applications like WordPress or Joomla. Utilize support resources. A2 hosting offers 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, and the ticket system. You can also access the knowledge base for guides and troubleshooting.